Hello everybody, it is Andrea. How are you doing? Well, as you can see, this is going to be my mobile office. Beautiful lakes, mountains, and people relaxing. And as the whistle, some people not listening. But all in all, it's good. The weather is roughly between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun, I've got this amazing canopy over me and a wooden bench, which I'll show an image of right here. And I want to see how you're spending your summer. How are you doing with, are you going away? Are you traveling? Are you visiting family? Or are you just having a staycation, cleaning up the house and going on your porch, your back deck, your driveway, the lawn in front, or the clubhouse, wherever you're stationed and enjoying your time off. It is important. You know, I was under the kind of questioning, do I go to the lake and go to, a beach area or work from home? But it's not about me. It's about the people that I love and making sure that they're enjoying their summer while they are home. And it works out fine. Where there's a will, there's a way. I like to say, if you asked me if I was going to do this a couple years ago, I'd probably say no. It wouldn't be feasible. It wouldn't be doable. I would have to be mindful of, the sound, the lighting, and bringing my mobile office. But I did a lot of research and I figured that it was awesome and amazing, and why not? I'm helping people. I am making sure that people are being taken care of, listening to them, providing support, learning from them, and that's what it's about. And that's what life should be. Life should be fun. Life should be just taking a moment, pardon the summer breeze, relaxing, but salt and pepper shaking what the daily tasks have to be done. And what I was able to do successfully was I was able to make sure my Cinderella's chores were taken care of before I left the home, and that I had everything I needed to pack for every circumstance as far as weather, food, hydration, comfort, and fun, and I made it work. So that's what I want for you. I want you over the next couple of months, adapt, shift, transform, change, and transition into a lifestyle of comfort, a lifestyle of courage, and a lifestyle of confidence. When you have those 3 C's put into effect, you've got your lifestyle in amazement. Like I said, I was hesitant. Do I come and bring my mobile office to the forefront, to the lake shore, in the sun, by the beach? But if you plan it right, everything will work out, and you just have to have faith that everything works out. I want you to plan today something that you want to do, something that you want to alter, something you want to shift and transform in your life for the better. And ask yourself this question: how could I make this experience better? How can I make this experience fun? How can I make this experience a beneficial situation for everyone involved? And when you start shifting your mindset into positivity, passion, perseverance, and progression, that's when you are most successful and most productive. I want to thank each and every one of you for your support. I will be bringing you more daily content from the shoreline and the beautiful mountains above, the nice summer breeze from the northeastern area here up in the mountains. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. What are you doing today to enhance your life and make it a little bit better? Comment down below. I appreciate your support. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out this link. I've got amazing projects. And today is July 1st, 7/1/2022. And my next project is in full force. And I am planning for the rest of the year. So much exciting news, events, projects, as well as fun coming to you every single day. Today, I believe, I'm going to check my counter, is my 600th YouTube video. Not my shows, not my interviews, not my TV, not my features or cameos with the great Dr. Les Brown, who was my mentor. As a certified motivational speaker, I am the global voice, but I believe this is 600 daily videos that I have accomplished. A great achievement starting in October 2020 when somebody said, why do it? And I say, why not? So alter your life, make that minor shift and say, why not you? Try it, and I look forward to seeing you next video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Te amo. From the shoreline, mountains, summer breeze, summer sun, sending you love always. Be well. Take care.